So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 10, mensuration. In this session we are going to learn about area and we are going to complete the NCERT exercise 10.2. So let us start with the first topic, area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. कोई भी closed figure. अभी फिलहाल मैं एक example बता रहा हूँ, देखो. Suppose this is a closed figure and the amount of the surface which is enclosed by this closed figure means this part, ये जो अंदर का part है, this part is called its area, right? And convention for calculating area on square grid. So area of one full square, we have to take it as 1 square unit. If it is a centimeter square sheet, then area of one full square will be 1 square centimeter. Next one, ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. अभी जैसे एक एग्जांपल है, सपोज दिस इज अ स्क्वायर और कोई एक कर्व जो है वो अगर इतना पार्ट बस कवर कर रहा है, ओनली दिस पार्ट, सो वी हैव टू इग्नोर. दिस इज लेस देन हाफ अ स्क्वायर. If more than half of a square is in a region, just count it as one square. ठीक है, अगर हाफ से ज्यादा है उसको हम लोग को एक काउंट करना है, तो 1 square unit, 1 square centimeter. If exactly half the square is counted, then its area is half square units. So these are the some rules to calculating area on square grid. So we are going to do one example based on this convention. Example number 10. Find the area of the shape shown in the figure 10.10. अभी यहाँ पे we will count the full filled squares. See, 1, 2, 3. These 3 squares are fully filled, right? So fully filled squares is equals to 3. Now we'll count the half squares. 1, 2, and this is 3. So half filled squares is equals to 3. So just now I told in the convention that fully filled squares we have to take it as 1 square unit, 1 square centimeter or unit, okay? अगर unit यहाँ पे centimeter है तो we have to write centimeter. So we got 3 square units. Now area covered by half filled squares, it is 1, half. So 3 है तो 3 into half हो जाएगा. 3 into half is 1. दो हाफ मिला के फुल होता है, ठीक है? So 1 and half. So total area will be 3 plus 1 and half. So it will be 4 and half square. Yes, 4 and half square units. So this is one example. Now we are moving toward ये तो खैर पूरा लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हुआ है. अगर कर्व वाला रहेगा तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है. We have to be very careful with respect to fully filled, half filled, more than half and less than half. चलो, example number 11. By counting squares, estimate the area of the figure 10.9b. Chalo. We are going to make one table. Fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares and less than half filled squares. ठीक है? एक tabular form में हम लोग लिखते हैं. Now we'll count how many numbers are there. चलो, fully filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इसको भी ऑलमोस्ट ये फुली है 11. सो टोटल 11 आर फुली फिल्ड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं 11 लिख रहा हूँ. तो 11 का 11 स्क्वायर यूनिट होगा. ना हाफ फिल्ड कितना काउंट करते हैं? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाफ. ओके, सो एक मिनट, इसमें एक काम करते हैं, मोर देन हाफ काउंट कर लेते हैं. मोर देन हाफ, एक मिनट, इसको 11 लिख लेते हैं. मोर देन हाफ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है, और जो बच रहा है उसको मैं हाफ में काउंट कर लेता हूँ. एक मिनट, हाफ में मैं क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ. 1, ये यहाँ पे जॉइंट है, ठीक है, 2 एंड 3. ठीक है, इसको काउंट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ये कम लग रहा है. इसको काउंट कर लेंगे 3. एक मिनट, इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ. ओके फाइन. सो A half filled is 3 and more than half is 7, and whatever the left that we have to write less than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 और 1 मिनट और कहीं बच रहा है देखो, हाँ ये वाला 5. सो लेस देन वाले को 0 लेना है, and more than half you have to take full 7, and half filled squares 3 का half, so 3 into half, right. अब ये 11 plus this will be 1 and half, okay, 1 and half. फर्स्ट वाला 11 आया था, उसके बाद ये 3 into half and this is 0. Now the total area will be 11 plus 1 and half plus 7 plus 0. ठीक है,
19 half.
yes, 11 plus 1 12 plus 9 19 half square units. ठीक है, एक मिनट मैं कलर चेंज कर रहा हूँ. Now we are moving toward the next question, example number 12. By counting the squares, estimate the area of the figure 10.9a. Right. So we will make a one blank table first. Right. So let us start with the fully filled square. तो एक ही है यहाँ पर देखो, 1.
दो.
Only 1. Because this is actually यहाँ पे देखो ये वाला part disturb कर रहा है full के लिए. So that is why we have to count only 1. Okay. This part we will count as more than half. So chalo, more than half we are going to count. I will put cross mark 1 and 2, 3, 4.
So total 7 है.
5, 6 and this is 7. Okay, half filled is not a single one, so it is dash, and more than half filled squares is 7, so 7 square units. Now less than half filled जो बचा हुआ है उसको लिख देते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and one small part is there 9. So 9, 0.
9.
So total area will be 1 plus 7 only, that is 8 square unit. Okay. So now we are moving toward the exercise 10.2 first question. जो line segment से बना हुआ, that is very easy to calculate. Okay, so find the areas of the following figures by counting squares. So how many fully filled squares?
9.
9.
9
Right.
fully filled square.
Right. So therefore the area will be 9 into 1, क्योंकि एक का 1 unit है. So 9 square centimeter. Okay.
Yes sir.
Right. Now the second figure. How many fully filled squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 fully
Right.
filled.
So area will be 5 into 1, that is 5 square centimeter. Okay. Next, third question. Right. Now fully filled only 2 and half filled is 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Right. So fully filled is 2 and half filled is 4. So fully filled का हम लोग 2 into 1 करेंगे, 2 square units, 2 square centimeter, and half filled का 4 into half. And what is 4 into half?
2.
2, right. So 2 square units plus 2 square units will be the total area.
4.
Yes, 4 square centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No sir. No doubt sir.
Right. Now we are moving toward the D bit. So this is again very easy. Only you have to count the fully filled squares. How many? 8.
8 fully filled square.
Right. So therefore area will be 8 into 1 square centimeter.
8 into 1, 8 square centimeter.
Right. Now we are moving toward the next figure. Here also all are fully filled. Count the number of fully filled squares.
10
10.
fully filled square.
Yes.
10 into 1.
Right. Area will be 10 into 1 square centimeter, that is 10 square centimeter. Right. So now we are moving toward question number F. Here fully filled only 2 are there
2.
and half filled 1, 2,
Four.
3, 4.
4.
Right. So this figure is covered 2 full squares and 4 half squares.
Half.
2 full squares is 2 into 1, that is 2
1.
square centimeter.
2
And
square centimeter.
4 half means 4 into half.
2.
Yes, 2 square
2.
centimeter. And the
4
total
square
area will be 2
4
plus 2,
square
that is, yes,
Square.
4 square
4
centimeter.
square centimeter.
Right, now we are moving toward the next question, G bit. So fully filled is 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. And half filled 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Take it. So
4.
this figure is covered by 4 full squares and 4 half squares, right? So 4 full squares means 4 into 1, 4 square centimeter. And 4 half means how many square centimeter?
1.
2. 4 into
2.
half. देखो 4
2.
into half. So यहाँ पे 4 हम लोग 2 से cancel कर सकते हैं. So we are getting 2, right? And the total area will be 4 plus 2,
Centimeter.
6 centimeter. 6 square centimeter.
6 square centimeter.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next one, H. Again we have how only full squares. How many?
5.
5.
5 full square.
Right.
5 full square.
So area covered by full squares, 5 full squares will be 5 into 1, 5 square centimeter. Now next figure. Here also we have only full figures, fully filled figures. Total 9.
Fully filled
Right.
figures.
9. Right. So therefore area covered
9
by
into 1.
yes, area covered by full squares will be 9 into 1, 9 square centimeter.
9.
Right. So now we are moving toward J bit. Here the fully filled are 2
2.
and half filled are
4.
4.
4.
Right. So 2 fully filled का area हो जाएगा 2 into 1, 2 square centimeter. And 4 half filled का हो जाएगा 4 into half, that is yes 2 square centimeter. So the total area will be 2 plus 2, that is 4 square
4
centimeter.
4 square centimeter.
Right, now we are moving toward K. Bit 4 fully filled है और 2 half, right?
2 half.
Fully filled squares is 4 and half filled squares are 2. तो 4 fully filled का कितना हो जाएगा 4 square unit? 4 square centimeter. 4 into 1, right? And half filled 2 का हो जाएगा area 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 half will become 1, okay? So 4 square centimeter 4 fully filled का हो जाएगा and half filled squares 1 square centimeter. So the total area will be 4 plus 1, that is 5 square centimeter, right? Okay, so now only 2 questions left. Now we are moving towards L bit. Now here we have to make a tabular form, that is fully filled, half filled, more than half filled and less than half filled squares. चलो पहले तो fully filled calculate कर लेते हैं. Only 2 are there, 1 and 2. ठीक है?
3 कंसीडर कर सकते हैं ना?
नहीं करते क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो इतना स्पेस छूट गया. No problem, we will count it as a more than half filled. So anyhow the area will be 1. Okay, so now more than half I am counting 1, 2, cross कर रहा हूँ 3, 4, 5 and ये हाफ से ज़्यादा नहीं है देखो. So ये वाला हाफ से ज़्यादा है. So 6 half filled 0 है. 6 is more than half filled. Now less than half filled. What happened?
सर उधर उधर.
नहीं ये तो हाफ से कम है ना ये. ठीक है. एक मिनट. राइट. सो हाफ से लेस देन में कौन जो जो छूट गया उसको लिख लो. एक मिनट. दिस पार्ट इज लेफ्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6. 6 but area will be 0. Now the total area will be 2 plus 6, that is 8 square unit or 8 square centimeter. ठीक है, अगर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर में दिया तो सेंटीमीटर लिखना है. So this is L. Now we are moving toward the next bit, M. So here also we are going to make a table, fully filled, half filled, more than half filled and less than half filled. चलो fully filled का देख लेते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5, right. So fully filled is 5 और उसका एरिया हो जाएगा 5 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. नाउ मोर देन हाफ कितना है देखते हैं. हाफ ये भी मोर देन हाफ है, ये लेस देन हाफ, मोर देन हाफ. नो, एक भी नहीं है. either less than half is there, either or more than half is there. चलो, so more than half will count 1 2 3, because देखो यहाँ पे हाफ, अगर मैं यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ, दिस इज मोर देन हाफ. सो कितना हो गया? 3 4 5 6 7 8 and this is 9. Total 9 square units. Now less than half, anyhow that will be 0. फिर भी लिखना है अपने को. उसको मैं क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ. 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 एक मिनट 7, और यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा से पार्ट आया है 8,
9,
यहाँ पर भी है 9, और एक मिनट.
10 sir, 10.
वेट.
सर नीचे.
नहीं, ये वाला काउंट कर लिए.
No sir.
हाँ, ये वाला, दिस पार्ट,
Sir, not that.
दिस पार्ट
Right sir.
10 और दिस वन 11,
बोली सर.
और कुछ छूट रहा है देख लो. 11, ये वाला 12, ये वाला. ठीक है.
Yes.
So 12, but area is 0. So the total area will be 5 plus 9, that is 14 square units.
14
Right?
square.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the last bit of this exercise, N. So now we are going to make the same table, fully filled, half filled, more than half filled and less than half filled. चलो fully filled हम लोग काउंट कर रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, इसको भी ले रहे हैं 9. So 9 fully filled. Okay.
9.
So area will be 9 square unit. Now we are going to see the half. हाफ यहाँ पर एक भी नहीं है.
सर एक है.
Which one?
सर कुछ ऊपर में.
नहीं. This is more than half. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the more than half. So I am going to take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. Anyone? हाँ, यहाँ पर है. एक मिनट.
सर वो हाफ है सर.
9.
ये देखो.
सर हाफ है.
वी कैन टेक इट एज ए, क्योंकि ये वाला पार्ट और ये वाला पार्ट दोनों सेम है. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा से हाफ से ज़्यादा ही आ रहा है. और कुछ छूट रहा है क्या? देखो, नहीं है ना. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 9. ओके. सो 9 मीन्स 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. नाउ लेस देन हाफ. 1 2 3
Sir, 6.
4, wait 4 5 6
सर वन मोर.
7 8 9. ठीक है. So उसका area anyhow it will be 0. So the total area will be 9 plus 9, that is 18 square
18.
units. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving toward the assignment questions. So these are the assignment questions. I will post through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.